We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more unclear words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as tired, tired. You do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, this is usually said as tired, tired in American English versus tired in British English. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.